Wine fires back and Muhoozi as bitter hex exchange escalates. A fresh war of words has erupted between National Unity Platform President Bobi Wine and Chief of Defense Forces General Muhoozi after the opposition leader publicly challenged claims about how and when he left Uganda. The latest exchange, seen in screenshots shared from Bobi Wine's verified X account, shows the two men trading sharp and highly personal attacks over Bobi Wine's government's past incident at Entebbe Airport and his recent stay in the United States. In one of the posts visible on Bobi Wine's account, the new leader directly responded to Muhoozi's claim that he had seen a video of Bobi transiting through Kigali Airport. Bobi Wine dismissed that claim and wrote, "It's not hey hi you criminal, it is real. Only that it was 5th October 2023, the same day your thugs grabbed me off the plane upon arrival at Entebbe Airport, and it was live on local and international news. You can imagine the ignorance that occupies the highest office in our military. Other senior officers must be feeling insulted. We shall liberate them too." That post shown in the screenshot had already drawn major engagement with about 503 replies, 707 posts and 4.2k likes and 215k views at the time the image was captured. The embedded post beneath Bobi Wine's statement shows Muhoozi Kainerugab's verified account under the handle at M. Kainerugaba, where he had allegedly written that he saw a video of Bobi passing through Kigali Airport and questioned whether it was real or AI generated. So the video was an old video, as per Bobi Wine. Another screenshot shows an earlier Bobi Wine post replying to a separate Muhoozi statement. In that message, Bobi Wine accused Muhoozi of contradicting himself. He wrote, "On 30th Jan, you said I was hiding in the US Embassy. Now you are saying I left on 26th Jan. So why then did you mount roadblocks everywhere searching for me until 14th March? Why did you raid Arid Chemte's home in Kapchora on 4th Feb looking for me? Why did you raid my PA and abduct his wife on 12th March claiming I was hiding in their home? Do you now realize that your intelligence is not intelligent?" That post had also attracted huge attention, recording about 498 replies, 772 reposts, 3.9k likes and 120k views in the screenshot. The exchange follows the Pulse Uganda report published on 22nd March 2026 at 20:51, which said Bobi Wine had confirmed leaving Uganda through Rwanda, but insisted that transit Muhoozi referred to happen on 5th October 2023, not in January 2026. The same report quoted Bobi Wine, Muhoozi as claiming that Bobi Wine fled Uganda on 26 January 2026, 11 days after the elections, and had spent 2 months in the United States eating Big Macs while his followers are in jail. Another Pulse Uganda report published earlier on the 22nd March 2026 at 12:18 also showed Muhoozi active on X, where he assigned fresh patriotic officer numbers to PLU members, including Frank Tumubazek, Ruth Acheng, and others. However, questions are now emerging after separate access attempts reportedly failed to open Muhoozi Kainerugaba's X profile and post directly, with some users seeing error messages instead of the account content. Could this Muhoozi account be banned? Find out in our next video, link in description.